Hi guys, it's your girl Diana and welcome back to my channel. If this is not your first time, if it's your first time, please karibu and make sure you subscribe. So today I'll be making a smoothie and I have my watermelons, chopped ones. If you have frozen ones, the better. Some passion fruits, bananas, and my last ingredient is a yogurt. You can either go with natural yogurt or flavored yogurt. I love my smoothies sweet, so I went with a flavored yogurt. So we start with the it's pretty simple actually. I don't think I need to talk you through. You just add all the things together. You can either you can blend them in between as you're adding, but it's pretty simple. If you have frozen ingredients, the better, like frozen bananas, frozen watermelons, the better. I didn't have any, but I was in a mood of making a smoothie, so yeah. Also, if you have a mango, you could add. Ni venye sahi in Kenya, it's not mango season yet, so getting a mango at my local mama mboga was quite a task. Yeah, but the smoothie was still yummy. It was still yummy. So here's the video of me making it and I'll show you the results. Enjoy. ladies and gentlemen, this is the end product. I loved how it turned out despite not adding my usual mangoes. Also, your girl was feeling healthy on this day, so I decided to add some chia seeds on top. In my head, those were Oreo and chocolate toppings. So yeah, if you try this recipe, don't forget to comment down below how you find it. If you have any additions, you can also comment down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching till this end. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for supporting my content. I really do appreciate it. And till the next video, bye bye. Mwah.